recording. Airbus A380 214 CFM. Gatwick Airport. Departure. Arrival. Dublin International. I like the individual things. Ah, here are your runways. 10 left. This one. Oh, yeah, that one. 8 left. 34. No, it'd have to be 28 right. 10 right? No. Where? Okay, one second. Click on you. This one. Where are those? Oh, here. 10 left. 16. That's an apple. Here's 10 left. Says arrive. Sick. Then we'll just go as sick. Start flight. Damn, that's dark.
Gatwick Tower, 1905-1905 at runway 26 left, ready for departure. Departure to the west.
Sick. Climb angle 2 right.
500.
500 indeed. Gosh, shush.
Gatwick Tower, 1905-1905. Frequency change.
Inoperative. Okay.
Biggin approach, 1905-1905.
Is it the flaps?
Airbus,
Probably the
4 miles west
flaps.
of
Nope,
Gatwick,
not the flaps.
2300. Request flight following.
Okay, I have no clue what it's complaining about. What are you? Oh, cool.
Squawk 444.
Okay, current heading
1905-1905.
295.
1905-1905. Radar contact 6 miles west of Gatwick.
Let's get
2800.
lined up. QNH 979er.
2,500.
Roger, 1905-1905.
1905-1905, contact Benson approach on 123 decimal tree. Good day. This thing ain't shutting up, so that's it.
123 decimal tree, 1905-1905.
Autopilot. Click. Hold on. Can I just go LOC now? Hold on. LOC. Nope. I can't. Okay. Expedite. I don't know what that means. Approach. Nope. Shush. Flight director. ILS. Oh, ILS approach. Cool. No, shush. Oh no. Oh. I crashed. How? Into what? What did I crash into? Okay, we have lights. Shush. Maybe on 294. Bro, shut up. I don't know how to make it stop pinging. Bro, shut up. That's just going to be a problem. Okay, seeing as this plane just will not shush, I'll keep that on. Oh, that's not good. Do I keep crashing into that? What am I crashing into? Bruh. Hell no. I'm going too fast. Probably speed running. Bro, what is wrong? There's nothing here. There's nothing there. Everything looks completely fine. But you just won't charge. Auto throttle. Auto throttle. No. 320. Very full. Auto throttle. Auto throttle. Hello? Hello? Okay, so it's pinging at me constantly. And... okay, auto throttle's dead. AP2. No, autopilot 2. Yep, disconnect the autopilot because this thing can just keep screaming at me because I ain't doing nothing. Now auto throttle works. Well, that just sucks, because... it's doing that weird thing where I can't press anything. Okay. Flight director.
London Center, 19051905, 12,700. 19051905, London Center, QNH 977, radar contact, continue.
I want to hold the speed, not go up, not go down, hold, but it's just not doing that, which is annoying.
Contact Manchester Center on 118.775. Good day. Going to 118.775, 19051905.
Nope, not tracking. Hold on. If I disconnect it quickly, just turn way off. Are you going to do anything? Cool, you're gonna level the aircraft. That's not our heading. We want to be going this way. Yeah, but you're on track. I set it to heading. Okay, speed controller still doesn't work, which I don't really understand. Cool. Engage selected speed mode. Well, and stop going back to 281. Localizer doesn't work. The headings being all funky. I'd say we turn around, because this is just not being happy. Or we land somewhere else, because it is just not shutting down. point, Shush will find a different airplane to fly, because this one is just not having it. My trim is really low down, so blame it on the trim and the fact that this master caution just will not shut up. So
2,500.
Sink rate.
2,000.
Sink rate. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull sink rate.
1,000.
Sink rate. Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain. Sink rate. Pull
500.
up.
400.
Pull up.
300.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull
200.
up. Sink rate.
100.
Sink rate. Sink rate. Sink rate.
500. 400.
Sink rate. Pull up.
300. 200.
Pull up.
100. 50.
Pull up.
25.
hard.
Retard.
Oh, I made it shush finally, but a bit late for that. Okay, let's find. This is very unrealistic. I like the A380. It's a bit squished though. Looks kind of funny. What else? Not a lot else really. Let's fly the A380. That might work. Configure. Yes, it's a bit squished, kinda. British Airways. Or Emirates. Let's stick with British Airways. Manage fuel. Hold on. Let's do a quick Google. Code. Okay, cool. Sick. How far will... How much fuel was it? Just doing a quick Google, because every pilot does that at some point. Airbus A380. Stop, send. Airbus A380. Sydney to Perth. Okay, let's go. Defuel. Managing EPF. Well, we'll be full. Also full. 25. Let's go 30. Oh, 3. Oh, yes. 3% fuel. Save config. Cool. Save them back, and then we'll go past Sydney. Find Australia first. Who lives here? Who lives in the middle? Nobody should be living in the middle. First we have to find Perth. That will be departure, and then we have to find Sydney. Okay, cool. Where is Sydney? Adelaide. Brisbane. Hold on. Search. Side. I spelled that wrong. 1 second. Back to you. Side. Knee. Ah, I did spell it correctish. Sydney. Sydney, Sydney? Sydney, Sydney? Where's Sydney, Sydney? Wait. Oh. Okay, well that's definitely not in Australia. Sydney. Okay. Kingswood International? Oh, yes. Sydney, Sydney. Okay, that's a weird flight path. Well, where are we actually landed? Oh, which one am I? Oh, that one. Why can't we land at this one? Arrival. Look. So then we're just flying straight in. Will we stop on that? Many feet does it take to stop at an airbus A380? Thinking, organizing my plan. Why do you have to do it like this? Can't you just do it like that? Yes. Uh, 9,000 to 12,000. That's good enough. Okay, fine. Oh yes, this one. That's even worse. This one. Set as arrival. Don't do a funky thing where we have to do a 360 spin. Add. Yippee! Start flight. Oh, I don't know what runway I'm taking off from. Well, proceeds to freeze. Am I recording my desktop or... No, I'm not. Cool. Just checking, because you never know. This is gonna be a long video.
Perth Tower, 1905-1905.
Yeah, looks like this on the inside. I don't know if that's accurate or not. I'd say not really, because that is large. And I don't know what these are, but Well, that's definitely not supposed to be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. No. 3, 3, 5, 7. Yes. Yes. Oh, identify. That is a tiny identify button. Yes. 1 degree. Oh. Gee, 50 still. Oh no, I don't really want to take off yet. I need to get the engine stabilized. Ooh, heads up display. Sick. That's cool. Yes, it's a little squished. Airbus a380 SP. If you know what an SP means, you should know what the Boeing 747 SP is. Control space. Yes, this definitely feels like 1 frame per second. Oh. Whoa, we're like speeding down the runway. We're going 80, 90, 100 knots. We're not taking off in time. We are not taking off in time. Oh no. We should be going much faster. Yeah, no, we're not going up. Come on. Off the ground. Off the ground. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Off the ground. Off the ground. Yes! I did it. I did the thing. Landing. Starts pinging at me. That would be annoying. Overspeed. We're going 200 knots. Oh, that's for the flaps. Watts.
Perth Tower.
My wheels are up.
1905, frequency change.
Stop complaining. Please. Squeak. Squeak. Where have the markers gone?
Perth approach. 1905, 1905 is type airbus. 5 miles breezebird, 1800.
Request Class C airspace transition.
1905-1905, Perth approach. Squawk 7352.
Oh, I didn't get to press that.
1905-1905.
Number 1.
Radar contact 6 miles northeast of Perth, 3100.
Request C plus C airspace transition. Oh, number 1. I'm not pressing anything. This is so... nearest airport list? Oh, no, it wants me to press buttons now. Oh, yeah, no, didn't get to press it. Oh, co-pilot, you're screaming for me. Where are we going? We're going to Sydney. Okay. Catholic Agricultural College. What? New York. Oh, York Airport. Airport's further. Oh, coach, back. to Sydney. I'm trying to go to Sydney. I want to go to Sydney. Not that one. Yeah, but even further. Okay, even further. Wheel. Okay, come 3, into group 3. Oh, I'm being called. Hello?
Hello.
Oh, and there goes MFS, it just crashed.